All right, what's going on, everybody? It is it's Saturday. Wow, not normally a day that I do videos, although recently my videos have been scattered. I'm actually going to do a product review today, and we're going to be taking a look at these. They are the Mad Spotter. You can see their name right there. If you don't have them, I recommend getting them under most circumstances. We'll talk about it at the end, but I'm going to go ahead and review them. So what they are is a way for us to use dumbbells for presses and things like that without having to kick them back. They hang nice and firmly right here on your barbell, and then you can take your dumbbells and you can put your dumbbells on them, and they're going to sit right there in the little groove, and they're ready for you to take and do a set. So I'm going light just because I'm doing this video just to review. But I want you guys to see what they do. It's not about the weight, but the intention is that they're able to help you to lift heavier dumbbell sets for your dumbbell presses. So yes, I'm inclined for this one. I'm just doing it for the video. I probably actually need to slide forward just a little bit to have a better position. And then, you set them in there, you grab them, you lift them up off, and boom, you don't have to kick your shoulders back. So you're not putting as much pressure on the shoulder. You're not hurting anything. You don't have that kickback, and you can get your reps in. I've already worked out today, so I'm only doing this for the video, but you can get your reps in and you put them back on. If it's a heavy set, you can just drop them off. They'll be fine. I'm not going to do that because my neighbors downstairs would probably kill me, but it is possible. I've done it at the gym. I will preface this with an amazing product, but there is some limitations. I am actually working with the company to hopefully get those limitations fixed so that it works with all dumbbells. It does not work at my gym the way it's intended to. I can still use it, but I have to flip it around, do it the other way. We're hopefully going to get them set up with a way to fix that so that it's more universal for weights that tamper in the inside, but then they get wider at the outside, so they don't necessarily fit. But that, again, they're working on fixing that, so hopefully we'll get that fixed. In the meantime, if your dumbbells fit, this is a great way for you to, at my home gym, I can use it, and you can just get more weight. You can really lift more weight because instead of having to kick that back and stop your shoulders, you're just grabbing and going. It's just like a barbell. It's a great product. So if if you'd like to do a lot of dumbbell presses, whether flat back, incline, decline, doesn't matter. This is a great way to make it a little bit easier on your shoulders. All right, y'all, get out there, get after it, hustle hard. Talk to y'all later.